Good afternoon, traders. It's Erica at Alpha E Trades. It is 3:16 p.m. Thursday, November 4th, and we're rocking out some all-time highs here today. Here, the market is a little sideways here. As you can see on my 5-minute chart, we have ES and we've got order flow. We're squashed in between buyers and sellers here, so it's a little bit of a waiting game. However, let's take a look at our 15-minute chart on ES. So this was yesterday after the FOMC announcement, and then we went into long channel overnight, and then we had a continuation. Now, technically, from a 15-minute perspective here, we are targeting more all-time highs, but again, we're in consolidation here, so therefore we're using the 5-minute chart, waiting to see on order flow here. Targets are a little bit smaller. Now, we do have another all-time high up here at 46.78. We'll see how we go into the close, if we're going to have a continued move higher, and or we could retrace as well here. So, but for the time being here, so we have our buyers on order flow sitting at 46.69.75 and our sellers sitting at 46.56. And as you can see clearly, we've been in between the range here. So when we're range, we have smaller targets until the flow gets going, but it's simply just a waiting game here. So that's what we've got shaken here on ES. Now NQ has been a machine, literally. So the 15-minute chart is what we went off of today here for the blueprint. If you're not familiar with our service, check out our service. And we offer blueprints like this here. They're designed to keep you in the right direction of the trade. Okay, so this was our 15-minute chart. Obviously, this was yesterday. This was the aftermath on the spike here. Overnight, we consolidated. And we held above the buyer's trigger. Now, all-time highs again here. So we hit the all-time high here at target 1, smack dab this morning here, right here, right into the open here, you can see, and then we kind of stalled, spiked up, then we retraced. NQ has very long legs here. However, we're still rocking and rolling here. Now, technically, it does have a target 2 up here. We'll see how we go. We also had a target 3 from a 4-hour perspective, okay, on NQ. So in our service at Alpha E Trades, we're using multiple time frames, and we tie in all multiple time frames together here. So this was our all-time target 3. And this was at 260.50, which and then we pull them all together on one chart like this. Target 3, 4-hour chart, 260.50. Okay, and so this is what we've got rocked and rolling on NQ from a 15-minute perspective here. And slowly, that is attempting to grind up. You can see here we're holding to the tick here at the all-time high on the 133 extension. So we shall see how we go coming into the U.S. cash market. That is the cash market close here. With these ranges so large, we could get a sell-off here, but yet the overall invalidation for the pattern could still hold here. So that is common when we have long legs. So that's what we've got shaken on price action for NQ. Now RTY has broken out of its 8-month consolidation. However, all targets have been met. So let's take it the 4-hour chart here so you can get the visual here. So here was our 4-hour pattern here. And it did what it was supposed to do, rallied up, consolidated, rallied up, consolidated. Again, all 3 targets from the 4-hour were met, okay? And then now we're back into sideways order flow here. As you can see, it's bumper cars. It hits the buyers, but it's not closing above. Then it comes down. It hasn't yet hit the sellers yet, so it's in between here. And it's simply a waiting game here. So we've got targets for both ends, depending upon the imbalance of the order flow on what's triggered here. Okay. Now, 60-minute charts. Let's take a look at ES on our 60-minute chart. Okay. Now ES, a little bit of a cleaner vision here, so to speak. Again, these are all-time highs, and everyone wants to know how far price action is going. Well, we can project, but it's a matter of imbalance on order flow. Okay, as we can see clearly on the 5-minute chart, we had buyers and sellers here, so whichever way is triggered. But this is our big kahuna target here, traders 46.86, 81. We'll see if we get there. And usually once one of these targets are hit, we're expected just a little bit of a pullback here. And so that's what we've had going on for today. quite busy day here. We've just kept going through all-time high, target after target. And so if on ES here, the buyers can get it back up into the 46.69.75, well, we'll target the 72, and then this is a new all-time high here, this target 2 at 46.78. We have to use level by level. Okay, NQ has rocked out all the targets. It does have a major target though here, traders, that is, we're going back into all-time highs here. Target 2 is 382, but then we have a big milestone here. This is a 60-minute target here at 384. Okay, so we'll see how we go, and we'll be back tomorrow for another quick video on price action, what we're doing, our thoughts, and where we think the market is going. Check out alphaetrades.com if you're interested in having blueprints like this. They're designed to keep you on the right side of the market, and so when we're sideways like this, we have order flow that literally you don't trade in between here until something is triggered, and then it gets you back on the right side of the market here. Okay. Have a good one, traders, and hopefully your trading has been amazing. We'll see you tomorrow.